Hello, gentle people. It is February 20th. Today is Tuesday. So it has been approximately 3 weeks since I started this freeform journey. And yeah, it's been interesting. So if you saw the first video I did, and I just posted the second one yesterday because it was late, but I had, anyway, whatever. This is week number 3. All right, so the deal is, when I started from just washing my hair and not combing it, it was just regular natural hair, not much was going on. And then by the second week, I'm like, hold on, things are happening. This is week number 3. Like, people, like, look at what is happening here. Like, these are buds, right? I mean, the last 2 times I had locks in my hair, it took 2 months on average, 2 to 3 months for me to even see one bud. And it's literally been 3 weeks, and it's like, I know the hair clearly, if you look at the first and second video, you'll see it's clearly in the honey I shrunk the kids stage, because it just, like with locks, they tend to compress before they start to grow, right? So like a couple weeks ago, my hair was like out to here, and it just kind of compressed in. So I've been washing very frequently, like literally every 2 to 3 days. I think maybe, yeah, 3 days is probably the longest I've gone without washing it. So I just washed it today, a couple hours ago. I'm actually doing a class that starts today called The Feminine Way of Plant Medicine with this lady named Debsile, woman is like amazing when it comes to plants. So I washed my hair right before I started, got ready for the class, and yeah, like so now I have to go through the whole process of like ripping them apart, because again, it's freeform lock, so it's not cultivated. So I have to go through and like separate them. And people say it don't hurt, but I don't know if my head just tender or what, but it don't feel cute. So I just literally go through and like separate, and then you see like not much lock action is happening here in the front. They're like, yeah, not much is going on in this front region, which kind of makes sense, because the texture in the front of my hair is a different texture from the back. Yeah, so it's just this type of thing going on up front, like, but that's okay, because again, I don't like, the last 2 times I had locks, they were pulling on my hairline, and I definitely don't want that to happen again. So, but like literally I wash my hair and they're not going anywhere, they're staying. And some of them, like this one, these 2 beside each other, started hugging up on each other, so I just left them. It's like my hair, I swear, with this, like, ouch, with this whole lock situation, it's like it almost feels like my hair was like, yes, what took you so long? you know I don't know, it's weird. I kind of felt like before, when I had locks, that eventually I would probably have locks in my head again, but I didn't ever at any point in time think that this would be the particular journey. And I think I talked about it a little bit in the first video too, how one of the reasons why I had gotten locks in the first place years ago, like 16 years ago, was, one, real talk, I just don't like combing my hair. I'm not a big, like, my hair has never been a big deal for me. It's been a big deal for all the people around me, because even with all the times I've ever cut my hair, oh my god, you have nice hair, why are you going to cut your hair? And you have nice hair, why are you going to make it go natural and do all kind of craziness? And it's like, my hair is an issue for everybody else except me. Like, I'm just like, whatever, I have a million other things that I could tend to besides hair. So that was one of my primary motivating factors for growing locks the first time. And it took a long time because you know when you have those cultivated locks, again, you don't want to wash your hair frequently because you don't want the roots to get messed up, because you want the roots to stay tight. But if hair is locking from the end, it doesn't really matter what is happening at the roots, you just kind of split them apart, right? And you know, the times that like my hair used to grow out, the question always used to be like, why don't you go twist your hair, why don't you retwist your hair? And whose head is it? It is my head, okay? And I know I'm going to hear it, I'm going to hear it from everywhere and everybody, but you know, like I said, I could care less. So I mean, it's just crazy to me though that like literally in 3 weeks, like I have hair locking on my head in 3 weeks, whereas before it took like 3 months. And like I said, I think it's just a process of one, just washing frequently. Like I can't think of what else I've done that was so different besides washing it a lot more. And when I wash it, like, you know, I wash it like this, and you know, with natural hair, you like I would wash it in sections and detangle in sections because I just can't manage to detangle all this much at one time. But when you have this freeform thing going on, you just wash and you mush, and like it really does not matter, right? But yeah, this is still crazy to me that there are like literally locks in my head after 3 weeks. Like I tell you, black hair is like magic. It really is. I'm verklempt. But yeah, so that's the deal. I put up a video about the shampoo that I've been making, and I did another one on the scalp scrub and like this conditioning spray, so I'll put those up for you as well. So yeah, this is week number 3, and you know, I know I said I wasn't going to be posting frequently, but when I saw the change happen so quickly, I was like, whoa, I need to do another video. So that is it, people. Week 3 on this freeform journey. Thank you for being with me, thank you for your time, thank you for your energy, all that good stuff. If you haven't as yet, definitely follow me on the gram, yo. Let's do it. LOILAING. All right, so I'll see you soon. Peace.